Today you're going to learn how to remove backgrounds in your pictures in literally less than 2 seconds. And do you want to know the best parts about this technique? Well, one, you don't even need to install Photoshop, or anything for the matter, and it's 100% free. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So a little while ago I made this tutorial teaching people how to remove backgrounds from images with only one click using Photoshop. And the video absolutely popped. The thing is though, not everyone who wants to remove backgrounds in their pictures have Photoshop. I mean, their pressing plans can be quite expensive. The other problem is that even if you do have Photoshop, a lot of people still run into some kind of issues. Like, a lot. So I did a little bit of research for anybody out there in a similar position, and I found a 100% free solution for you, and it works like magic. So if you're ready to remove backgrounds like there is no tomorrow, then grab your snacks, get comfortable, and let's get cracking. I'm going to start with a simple portrait of this person, as I want to see how the tool performs when removing backgrounds behind long hair. This is usually a difficult thing to do well for background removing tools, and to show you how fast it goes, let's put a timer and see exactly how quick we can get it done. Okay, wow, that's very impressive. We're well under 2 seconds here. Plus, if you zoom in on the hair, you can see the result is very clean. Okay, let's try something a little bit more difficult. Let's see how the AI handles this picture with the waves, the canoe, and especially the paddle. No way, what? It's even kept the canoe, that's amazing. Okay, how about this one? Wow, it's unstoppable! Okay, but at this point you might think, well, these are very high quality pictures. What about the stuff I take on my phone? How would this perform? Well, don't you worry, Jeff, I've got you. Let me take a picture of this camera. Let's do that on my desk and with my phone. Okay, let's drag down to the canvas and... wow, that's amazing! So if you're a content creator, you sell products on Amazon or Shopify, you need thumbnails for your videos, and you're looking for a tool that removes backgrounds in literally less than 2 seconds and is 100% free, then this tool is for you. It's called PHOTOROOM. Make sure you use the link in the description below so they know I've sent you there. And since you're probably already down there, if you enjoyed this video and you didn't mind my accent, feel free to remove the background on the like button. It really helps the channel out with the YouTube algorithm. If you want more tutorials just like this one, make sure you get subscribed and hit the notification bell. You might actually like this tutorial right here, so make sure you watch that next. Again, remove backgrounds from your pictures in less than 2 seconds with the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, my name is Francois, and I'll see you in the next video.